we are here, you see, shutdown button is over. Now you come to the next topic. Open Notepad and save a file. This type of question comes in your exam. Okay? To open Notepad and write something. How to do? Start button.
Yes.
Check his document.
All program. Yeah, text document. All program. Accessories. Accessories means tools. Accessories means tools, some item. Then you go to Notepad. Can you see? Notepad.
Yeah.
When you click Notepad, it will come like this. Write down your name here. Write your name. I will write the word computer. There is the word computer. Now we will save this file on desktop. Click on file. Click on save. Can you see?
Yes. Yes.
Save. Then choose from here desktop or any location. It is up to you.
Yeah.
Give here file name. File name you can give anything. I will give CCC. Okay. File save as or file save desktop. File save desktop. Good. Click here. Write down any name. I have given here CCC. And click here. Click on save.
Yeah.
You see, your file is saved on the desktop. You can see like this. File is here. Majood?
Yeah.
Okay. That is open file and save it. Next step is desktop shortcut arrange icon. Desktop shortcuts. You see, these are the shortcut. Can you see?
Yeah.
Where is the icon? Where a small arrow is there? Like this. These are shortcut. If you want to make a shortcut, how to make it? Let us make a shortcut for paint.
Click your right.
Yes, I am telling how to do it. Click on start button. All program. Accessories. Where is it? Accessories. Can you see paint?
Cinto.
Paint. Yes, paint. Can you see?
Yes.
Pen.
Right click here.
Cinto.
Right click. Click on send to.
Pen two.
Can you see?
Yeah. Yes.
Then you go to desktop create shortcuts. Can you see?
Yeah.
Click on desktop create shortcut. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
No, again.
Start.
Yes.
All program.
Okay.
Accessories. Paint. Accessories stop. Then paint. Right click on paint. Click right button on paint. Paint. This color. Doing some coloring. Paint. P-A-I-T. Not paint. Paint. Painting. Color. Okay. And then click send to. Desktop create shortcut. You see, it will come here. Is it there?
Yeah.
Okay. Start. All program. Accessories. Then from here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8, paint. Can you see?
Yeah.
Is it there? Is it there? Right click on this. Right click, don't left click, right click. And send to desktop create shortcut. Like this. I have clicked by mistake, it will right click here. Send to, can you see? Send to. Send to desktop create shortcut. Okay? Click on this, you will get a shortcut here. Next step is arranging icons. How to do this one? Right click on desktop. Go to sort by. Can you see sort by?
Yes.
Name.
Sort by
Name.
name, size, image, date modified. I will show you name. click on name. See, icons are arranged. Okay. Like that you can go for type and all. Right click here. Right click here.
Sorry.
Sort by here name size. Size. Can you see? So it will be arranged like that. Now you click on right click. Go to view. View. Can you see?
Yes.
When you click on view, you will get a menu. In this one, large icon, small and medium. Choose large icon. Okay, it is big.
Yeah.
Again you go to right click, go to view, click on medium icons. I will put it medium. Okay. Next, again right click. I will show you one more thing. Right click, view, click on auto arrange icon. Can you see auto arrange icon?
Yes.
Click. It means if you click and put it anywhere, it will come automatically here. You see? You cannot put it. If that is check, if it is unchecked, you can put anywhere. This is the use. Next, you see, I will hide this all. Right click. Right click view. Show desktop icons. Can you see? From down number 2. Click on this one. All the icons are gone. Can you see now?
Yeah.
No icon is there. How to bring it the icon again?
Same thing.
How to bring it? Same thing. You do again. Right click. View. Show desktop icons. You will see everything will come back. Next step is arranging icon is over. Next step is lock and unlock the taskbar. Small icon. About the taskbar.
Yes.
Okay. Right click on this taskbar. Right click. Can you see? Lock the taskbar.
Yeah. Right.
Lock the taskbar. If you right click, you will get it.
What?
Right click here.
Yes, right.
Like this, it is coming.
Yeah.
Click on lock the taskbar. Click. That is Gayab. Tick mark is Gayab.
Yes.
Okay. Now you see. Look here. Is it there?
Yes.
Taskbar is here.
Yes.
Look here. Taskbar is here.
Yes.
Look here. Taskbar is here. Means you can put the taskbar wherever you want. Here, left, right, top, bottom, any side.
How can I do it?
See like this. Right click here. Lock the taskbar. This tick mark. Grab the tick mark. Remove the tick mark. Then you can move. Now you want to bring it down.
Yes.
So click and bring it here. Click and bring. It will come. Right click here. Right click again. After that, click on lock the taskbar. Click. So it will be fixed. Okay? I will show you how.
I will do it.
Now lock the taskbar. Next work is some more work related to taskbar. Right click here. Can you see toolbar? Can you see toolbar?
Yeah.
Yeah. In the taskbar there is a toolbar. Can you see?
Where?
Right click here.
Yes.
Then toolbars.
Yes.
Then address. Address. Can you see address?
Yes.
Here it is coming. Type here anything. For example, any site you want to go. Which site? KSU. Or KSU or Hotmail. I think Google is fast. It is better to open. Oh. Where is it? Google. Okay, it came. Enter. Is it coming? I think it
Yep.
should come.
Yes.
But you need to write google.com. Okay? If you write google.com, it will open. I'll show you again. There are some modification needed. backspace, ogle.com.com. Enter. Open. So instead of opening Internet Explorer or Firefox or anything, on your taskbar here only you can make and do it. For fast, to do your work fast. Okay. Now we will remove this taskbar, this one,
Okay.
address bar. How to remove?
Toolbar, right there.
Okay.
Address.
Toolbar.
Toolbar,
And
address.
uncheck this address. Okay.
Yes.
Right click again on taskbar.
Properties.
Properties. Good. Properties. Can you see this one?
Where?
Right click on properties.
Yes.
Is it coming like this?
Yes.
Yes.
In this one you see, use a small icon. Can you see? If you check, if you click a small icon, these things will be small. If you uncheck, it will be big. Look here. I will show you. See, these are big one. Can you see?
Yes.
I will right click here. Click on properties. Okay. After that, click on use small icons. Click on this one. Okay.
Like.
And click apply. Okay. You see here, small icons are there. Can you see?
Yeah.
So this is the work related to taskbar. Now we will come to the next point. That is Windows 7 tips, maximize performance. Look here, means how to improve your Windows 7 working computer, how to make your computer fast. Delete program that you never use. It means if there are some program you are not using, delete it. No need to keep it in your hard disk. Limit how many programs run at startup. This is important. I will show you how to do this one.
Startup manager.
Yeah, click here.
Where?
Okay, I will tell you the exact way. Click on control start button.
Yes.
Then click on control panel.
Can-
Oh, sorry. Not computer, control panel.
control button.
I click control.
Yeah.
Here, control panel. Can you see?
Yes.
Control panel is here.
No.
No, I have removed.
Okay.
I have removed the control panel.
You have.
Okay, you have. Because previous class I was showing, I removed. You can bring it. So you can write and control panel. It will open like this. Is it coming? No?
No.
Okay.
Action center.
Yes, you need to go to Action Center. Is it coming like this? Like this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. It's coming like this.
Yeah.
Go to here. Can you see category?
Yes.
Category.
Yeah.
Click on large icon.
Long.
It will be big.
Yeah.
Okay. Click on first one, Action Center.
Yeah.
Is it coming like this?
Yes.
I reached here with this shortcut. Okay. In Action Center, you see, change Action Center settings. Is it there?
Yes.
Is it coming?
Yes.
It means these programs will run automatically when computer is on. Meaning virus protection, network firewall and all. If you uncheck this all, uncheck, your computer will little bit fast. This is the meaning of this word. Limit how many program at startup. Next, defragment your hard disk, clean up your hard disk. It is important. And one more thing, run fewer program at the same time. Don't open so many program in one time, otherwise computer will be slow. Turn off visual effects and check for virus. This one, this option, it means virus protection. Whenever computer using memory, virus protection, so it will be slow. So you can turn off that option to make your computer fast. Okay. Next step we will go to this one. Install Windows 7 drive for all the critical component system. Use ReadyBoost. ReadyBoost I will show you here on my computer because you don't have flash memory. I have one flash memory extra. I will show you.
Use the flash memory to
Yes, as a RAM.
speed
Speed your computer.
the system.
For example, in your computer maybe 1 GB RAM and you have 4 GB flash memory. You can use out of this 4 GB flash memory 1 GB or 2 GB as a RAM. How to use? You see. Yeah, as a RAM. See, like this I will attach my flash memory. When you come down, use this drive for backup. It is showing backup of. It should show here flash memory. You can use this as a. 1 minute, I will open computer. This one, can you see my flash memory? This one, 3.7 GB. ReadyBoost, can you see?
Yes.
ReadyBoost means from my flash memory, I have set use this device. Can you see? Use this device means my flash memory. You can see how many 1.78 GB free out of 788 MB free of. It is showing now how much 788 MB free. I am using my flash memory in this computer as a RAM. If I don't want to use my RAM, do not use this device and you see what will happen. Look here. Can you see?
Yeah.
How much? What happened? 1.91 GB. It means you can use your flash memory. Okay? You can use your flash memory as a RAM in the computer. And when you take out the flash memory, it will be removed. That RAM will be removed. So it will make your computer fast. This is the use of ReadyBoost. Next step we are here. Parts of window, resize, moving, window control, working with menu and all. Okay. Okay, parts of the window. Okay. You can go that side. Yeah? How can you do in flash? When you attach your flash memory, right click on the flash memory, right click, properties.
Yes.
Can you see ReadyBoost?
Yes.
Click on ReadyBoost. Use this device. Can you see? Can you see? Use this device. Click on use this device and here you choose the memory, how much you want and click OK.
Right.
Yeah, apply OK or apply OK, both same. When you do, so it will be used as a RAM in your computer.
Yes.
Yeah?
All flash.
Yeah, all flash it is using. You can use the size from here. How much you want? How much MB you want from your flash memory? You can use it from. Yes.
Good job.
Yeah. Means if in your computer 1 GB RAM, you don't want to open your laptop and put another RAM, you can use your flash memory as extra RAM.
Solving for what?
For fast, making your computer fast. It will be working as a RAM, extra RAM. So when the RAM is more,
We have 16 giga
16 gigawatt
flash.
flash. So out of 16 giga flash, you can use 4 giga as RAM in your computer, in your laptop. Okay, that is the use of this one. Okay, I was talking you about parts of a window. Important, I will tell you very fast. Title bar. Can you see in this window? This one is title bar. This is title bar, top fork. This one, title bar. Minimize, maximize and close button. This is minimize button. This is minimize button. It will put down. This is maximize button. And same thing is restore button. Restore. and this is close button. Minimize, maximize and close button. Menu bar, toolbar, workspace. Toolbar is this one. This is toolbar. Here you can do work. You can get the tool. Workspace, this is the workspace. Here we can work. Area. Scroll bar. Scroll bar is here. This is vertical scroll bar. This one. This is. And here is horizontal scroll bar. Okay, can you see? Okay, that is horizontal scroll bar. We are here up to slide number, I think here. Border, this is the border of the window. Border of the window. Moving window, this is moving window. Okay.
Okay.
Resizing window. You can make the window small or big like this. When you click here, it is not exact. See, this is resizing, making window small or make the window.
What is border, teacher?
Yeah, border is this. Border.
And scroll bar.
Scroll bar is this one. This is small one, scroll bar. Okay. Next is arrow snap, arrange window by side. This you will do with me. Everybody open paint. Paint. You know how to open paint? This color, open this one. Is it open? Okay. Open paint and open notepad. Notepad. Open notepad. Is it open? Here is paint, here is notepad. Is it open? Open?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will arrange the windows. Right click on the taskbar. Right click on taskbar.
Okay.
Can you see this option?
Yeah.
Click on show window stacked. Show window stacked. Can you see?
Yeah.
Click. You can see what happens.
Half.
1, 2, 3. All windows are stacked.
Yeah.
Right click here. Right click. Click on cascade window. See, one behind another. Is it coming? Next, again right click. Show window side by side. You see? Side by side. It is arranged. So this is about showing the window, display window. Arrange windows is over. Arrow snap. Arrow snap means I will make this window small, this one down. This one is down. I will put it minimize. Look here. Look, I am taking this window here. This is arrow snap. Can you see this portion? This portion. This is arrow snap. Have you seen? Again. Look here. What is arrow snap? Look here. This one is arrow snap means it is telling your window will come up to here. That's all. Arrow snap, maximize, arrow peak. Arrow peak is important. I will show you how it works. Right click on this. Right click on start button. Right click. Right click on start button. Click on properties. Can you see? Taskbar. Taskbar. Okay. Here is use arrow peak. Can you see?
Yes.
First you look here, then you do on your computer. See, this is check. Here it is checked. I will remove this one. Click OK. And move my mouse arrow here. Can you see desktop? Can you see desktop?
Yeah.
No. See, here desktop is not
Where?
coming. When you go here,
Mm.
properties,
Yeah, yeah.
taskbar, use arrow, okay. Now when you move, computer is showing your desktop. Is it there?
Yeah.
This is the use of arrow peak and arrow shake. Arrow shake means this all, you see.
Where?
So arrow shake, I will tell you what is arrow shake. See, arrow shake means, I am telling about this one, arrow shake. Actually what is this? So many windows open, you see, this, so many open. I want to close, minimize all the window except this. So what I will do? Okay, what happened? All the window came down, only this window is open. This is arrow shake. Next topic is command button, split button, and so on, so on. Sidebar, text list box, tab, and everything. In order to do this one, click on Start. Right click on Computer. Right click. Click on Properties. When you click on Properties, it is open like this. Is it open? Click on Device Manager. Here you can see most of the things.
Yes.
Oh, it is not coming? Okay. I will go. Not Device Manager. You can go to System Properties Protection or System Protection. You can click. Okay. System Properties. This is coming.
Excuse me. Yes.
Open System Properties.
No, the first.
First, you can go to Start button.
Okay.
Then right click on Computer Properties. It will come like this.
Where is the properties?
Like this. Here right click. No, sorry. Click on here. Computer, right click. Properties.
Yeah.
Then you will see like this. In this one you click on System Protection. It will open like this. Here. What are the things here? This is called tab. Tab. These are tab. T-A-B tab. This is text box. Here you can write text box. This picture, this one is called text box. And this OK, cancel. These are called command button. Command button. So what is this? Can you tell me?
Tab.
Tab. This is
Description.
text box. And this is
Command.
command button. Good. Go here and here. Here. In remote I will show. This type, can you see? This is called check box. This box is small one. Check box. And these are called radio button. These are radio buttons. Okay, next I will show you here some more thing. Like when you go to File and when you go to Save or Save As, I will go to Save As. Drop down list. From here you can choose any one. Anyone you can choose, only one. Okay, so these are the component of your window. Working in multiple window means arrange item on your desktop. Arrange the window on your desktop. We did just now. Right click here and we can display many windows at a time. Side by side. Or you can choose, so if more windows are open, it will show you everything. See. Show cascade windows. You see one behind another.
Yeah.
One another. I will go to this one. So this is about Windows. On your computer, what to do now? Press Alt and Tab key. Alt and Tab key. You see what happened. Alt and Tab together. 1, 2, 3, 4 window you will see. Is it coming? Alt and Tab. I will show you how.
Yes, yes.
Alt and tab key. Yeah, you can see many. Yes, good, like this.
Is it?
That's correct. Alt and tab. Yes. First, open this for many. For example, it is open. Alt and tab. Can you see? Okay. Alt and tab. Like this, okay?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, good. You are doing it. Alt and tab. Can you see? Okay.
where are they?
What is this? What is this 10%? Means? What is this? Yeah, look here. Press Alt and Tab key together
Yes. Okay, Alt,
to
yeah.
switch to
Where's the tab?
tab. This one. Okay. Or you can use Window and D. Window and Tab key. Window and Tab key. Press Window key and Tab key. Tab. Yeah. When you press Window and Tab key,
Yes,
What's the difference between Alt and Tab and Tab?
Alt and Tab will display like this. Window and Tab will display one behind another. Okay? Yes, yes. Did you open anything hard? You must open something, for example, this. For example, now press Alt and Tab. Okay? And Window and Tab. Alt and Tab will show many. Window and Tab will come like this. Let it finish after that break. Yes. Did you check Window and Tab key? Like this. Open this. For example, you open this. Now you see. Alt and Tab if you press. Can you see? Press Window and Tab key. Okay. So flip 3D. Next is copying between applications. This I will finish and then there will be break. Okay. Copying between application means from one program to another program. How to copy? I will show you. You can see here how I am doing. Please look here. I will copy this one and paste in the Paint.
Okay.
Look here. I select this all. Copy. I'll open Paint. Paste. This is copying between application. Means anything you can copy from one program and paste in another program. So this is the topic for today. Up to here. Next class I will start from here about file, folder and all. Okay. So next class you will study. Now there will be break for 15 minutes. After break, whatever I teach you, whatever I taught you, you need to do the practice as well as exam practice as well as study from ERA. Okay? Okay. Thank you for today.